Good morning students, I am Puneet Kumar from Gronda, working as assistant professor in RPIIT college. Today we discuss in this video logistic management and nature of logistic management. What do you mean by logistic management? Logistic management is the combination of two words, logistic and management. Here, logistic means logistic is a process of planning, implementing and controlling the efficient, effective flow and storage of goods, services and related information from point of origin to the point of consumption for the purpose of conforming to customer requirement. And management means management is the process of planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling the activity of a business. Now we discuss the meaning of logistic management. Logistic management is the part of supply chain management that plan, implement and control the efficient, effective, forward and reserve, flow and storage of goods, services and related information between point of origin and point of consumption in order to meet customer requirements. Is there a difference between from supply chain management? No. Supply chain management deals with the management of material, information and financial flow in a network consisting of supplies, manufacturer, distributor and customer. So, logistic and supply are equivalent terms. Now we discuss function of logistic. There are many types of function of logistic. First point is that purchasing and procurement. In the logistic, the most important function is that purchasing and procurement from the point of origin. Second function of logistic management is that inventory control. In the logistic management, we can easily control the inventory at raw material level, at work in progress, at finished goods. Next function of logistic is that warehousing. In the logistic function, warehousing is very important function of logistic management. Next is material handling, faculty location, network design and transportation. These are the function of logistic management. Now we discuss nature and concept of logistic management. Logistic is the management of the flow of goods, information and other resources including energy and people between the people of origin and the point of consumption in order to meet the requirement of consumers, frequently and originally military organization. Logistic involve the integration of information, transportation, inventory, warehouse, material handling and packaging and occasionally security. Logistic is a channel of the supply chain which adds the value of time and place utility. These are the nature and concept of logistic management. Okay students, thank you.